over IPOE at ISC 2024. I'm here at the NDI booth with my good friend Roberto Musso. Ciao bello.
Ciao. How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Good, fantastic.
Roberto, tell me a bit more about Vizrt, Newtek and NDI.
So, Vizrt acquired Newtek in 2019, and now we are in the process of, on one side, all the Newtek product will be branded Vizrt, and this is the ongoing process. And as NDI, we are now an independent business unit. And basically the reason is because we talk and we do business with any manufacturer, and it's probably, I think it's very important that we are independent, and so we can talk even with, and we can support even companies that are in competition with Vizrt, and so we need to be independent.
Fantastic. Can you tell me a bit more about perhaps your new innovations and show us, I know you've got a workflow, show us that workflow and how it applies. Are you looking at a particular vertical or how you're going to approach different verticals?
So one of the big topic here is interoperability. This is something that we really care. The fact that every product made by different manufacturer is absolutely working with other product, other software application. This is one of our main mission. Then we are focused on developing more audio. In fact, here we have Mackie is an audio mixer. It's the first hardware that support NDI audio. And then we have the LAMA platform, amazing product, because NDI and NDI audio is widely used for cloud production. And so this is a part of our mission and roadmap to support our end user that want to use better and to want to have a better experience with NDI audio. And then of course we are here in Barcelona because we are looking to push more NDI in the ProAV space. NDI is extremely successful in broadcast and in cloud and whatever, but we understand and we have many requests from the ProAV market to do more in this area.
Yeah. One of the things that's been a running theme that I've seen with other technology owners are now gateway products. Gateway products, by the way, of something that will bridge between NDI and maybe IPMX and NDI and SDVOE or Dante into your world or whatever. Is that something on your horizon?
So we prefer this kind of. We prefer the third party develop this kind of product. Our mission is not developing product. Of course, we develop free tools, and the reason why we develop free tools is to help end user learning, using, adopting NDI. But yeah, it's not our mission to develop product. We really want this to be, and we really want to help our licensee or even the free SDK user to be successful with NDI. And this is the reason why we prefer this kind of tool to be developed by third party. And I believe this will happen soon. I mean, I can see clearly, I see so much demand about NDI in this market and in the broadcast, and the demand of integration between different formats with NDI, that this is absolutely clear that will happen.
And what about your roadmap into the future? Can you give us any insights into that?
So the next step with NDI 6 is support of 10-bit 422 and HDR. The other very important news in the roadmap is NDI bridge for embedded device. I think this is something huge, because if you think about it, I mean, and this has been a big development for a big effort. Bridge is the application that allow user to interconnect NDI ecosystem. So if I have a full NDI network in one place, I can interconnect with a full NDI network in another place, and we we offer a full discoverability and connectivity between device over a network. It's much more than a point-to-point connection. And so the next step is to enable device to be directly connected with bridge. So this can be a camera, but this can be, for example, a digital audio mixer tomorrow, or a commentary unit, or I don't know. Believe me, NDI can be much more than audio and video. I mean, this can be even only data.
I actually heard that someone was using NDI to control lighting.
Right.
And the applications of essentially.
Exactly. So this is very interesting because potentially, and I think NDI has been very clever with this concept of supporting metadata. Now we clearly see that there is a big opportunity, even outside the video and audio business. I mean, just the fact that you can interconnect device over internet and exchange bi-directional metadata. I mean, this opens a full amount of new opportunity and business.
I can see the possibilities of that.
Right.
It just requires people to really
right.
how they can embrace it and how to utilize it.
And once again, this is really related to our business model. We don't want to develop product. We really want to help manufacturers to adopt NDI in different market, in different use case, because their success is our success, and our primary focus is adoption.
Okay. And what about product? Are you going to give us a little walkthrough on what you've got demoing?
So here we have the TriCaster made by Vizrt. We have a very interesting product made by KiloView. It's a multi-recorder that supports NDI. We have a Suite Monitor, is the first broadcast monitor that directly supports NDI. Okay. And then we have the LAMA Connect, LAMA Mix, and LAMA Auto Mix, unbelievable product. All of them, they support natively NDI. This is, I've been extremely impressed about this application because it's really changing. I think it's a game changer in the audio production market. And then we showcase a lot of different brand camera and the DLX Creator from Mackie. So a full interoperability between the product. Everything is working together. That's amazing.
Roberto, thank you very much for your time. Have a great show.
You.
Take care.